Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant Subaru Crosstrek. Begin by parking on level ground and letting the engine cool fully. Open the hood and locate the radiator cap and overflow tank. Remove the cap only when cool, then position a drain pan under the radiator petcock. Loosen clamps on upper and lower hoses as needed, and prepare replacement coolant and a funnel for refilling to the correct level. Start by loosening the radiator drain petcock while the car is cool and the drain pan is in place. Open the overflow tank cap to let air in and speed drainage, and remove any clamps that block flow. Be patient and let the majority of old coolant empty, then close the petcock temporarily to perform a quick flush with distilled water if desired before final refill. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you can catch more DIY car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy through long garage sessions and road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Refill the radiator with the specified coolant until it reaches the full mark, then fill the overflow tank to the appropriate level. Start the engine with the heater on high to circulate coolant and help purge trapped air. Watch the temperature gauge closely. Squeeze upper hoses to encourage air bubbles to escape, then shut off. Let cool, and recheck levels and hose clamps for leaks before taking the car for a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.